Dubai. A city of luxury, elegance, and architectural marvels. Here, your home isn't just a place to live, it's a statement of your personality and style. And when it comes to home decor, one element often overlooked but extremely impactful is custom curtains. Yes, you heard that right. Curtains can transform your space in ways you never imagined. They can elevate your living room, add a touch of elegance to your bedroom, and make your interiors truly stand out. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how custom curtains can transform your Dubai home decor. We'll talk about why they're essential, how to choose the right design, and the latest curtain trends that are taking Dubai by storm. And to make this process even easier, we'll introduce you to Renovation X, a one-stop solution for all your home renovation needs, including custom curtains. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on this journey of home transformation. Segment 1, Why Custom Curtains Matter. Curtains are more than just a piece of fabric to block out the light. They set the mood, enhance your interiors, and create a cohesive look for your home. Especially in Dubai, where the architecture is so unique and diverse, your curtains should match that level of sophistication. Cut to visuals of different curtain styles like sheer, blackout, and layered curtains. The right curtains can add depth, texture, and even a sense of grandeur to any room. And custom curtains? They're designed to fit your windows perfectly, ensuring no awkward gaps or uneven lengths. With Renovation X, you can explore a wide range of fabric options, styles, and designs that suit your unique taste. Segment 2, Choosing the right fabric and color. When it comes to choosing curtains, fabric and color are key. In Dubai, where the sun is always shining, you need fabrics that offer both functionality and style. For instance, blackout curtains are great for bedrooms to ensure a good night's sleep, while sheer curtains work well in living rooms to allow natural light while maintaining privacy. Colors play a huge role too. Neutrals are timeless, but don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors or patterns to make a statement. In Dubai homes, golds, blues, and earthy tones are popular choices that reflect both luxury and warmth. And the best part? With Renovation X, you can get expert advice on selecting the perfect fabrics and colors to match your home's vibe. Segment 3, Popular Curtain Styles in Dubai. Now, let's talk about styles. Dubai homes often feature large windows and high ceilings, which call for dramatic curtain designs. Here are some trending styles for 2025 that you should consider. Segment 3, Popular Curtain Styles in Dubai. Now, let's talk about styles. Dubai homes often feature large windows and high ceilings, which call for dramatic curtain designs. Here are some trending styles for 2025 that you should consider. Visuals of different styles such as floor-to-ceiling curtains, layered curtains, and automated curtains. One popular style is the floor-to-ceiling curtain, which creates an illusion of height and makes your room look more spacious. Layered curtains offer versatility. You can have a sheer layer for daytime and a heavier layer for nighttime. And for those who love convenience, automated curtains are becoming a must-have in Dubai homes. The good news is, Renovation X offers all these options and more, tailored to your specific needs. Segment 4, How to choose a curtain service in Dubai. Choosing the right service provider is crucial. You want a company that offers customization, quality fabrics, and excellent installation services. Look for reviews, ask for recommendations, and always request a portfolio of their work. Some of the top curtain providers in Dubai offer in-home consultations, where they bring fabric samples to your doorstep. This makes the process so much easier and ensures you get exactly what you want. With Renovation X, you'll get all these services and more. Their experts handle everything from consultation to installation, ensuring a seamless experience. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about some curtain trends you'll see in 2025. Minimalist designs, bold patterns, and eco-friendly fabrics are gaining popularity. People are moving towards sustainable options that are both stylish and environmentally conscious. And remember, trends are important, but your personal style matters more. At Renovation X, you can get curtains that align with both your taste and the latest trends. So, there you have it. Custom curtains can truly transform your Dubai home into a luxurious haven. From choosing the right fabric to selecting the perfect style, every detail matters. And remember, your home reflects your personality, so make it unique, make it elegant, and most importantly, make it yours. If you're ready to upgrade your home decor, check out Renovation X. They offer everything you need, from custom curtains to complete home renovations. With their expertise, your dream home is just a step away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We've got more home decor tips and ideas coming your way. Also, let us know in the comments which curtain style you love the most or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep transforming your spaces. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep transforming your spaces. Bye for now. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest office innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose Renovation X. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933, or visit renovationx.ae.